Money is a tool, not a limit. I left this as a comment dun sa video nung isang girl dito sa TikTok na nag-viral kasi gusto niya ng cafe drink pero limited lang yung pera niya. So ang ginawa niya, yung pera niya na yon na 300 pesos, ginamit niya para maging puhunan sa pagbebenta ng banana Q. Tapos yung kinita niya, yun yung pinambili niya ng cafe drinks. And as I was reading through the comments, na-realize ko na grabe no kasi we really let money tell us what we can or cannot do. And I get it kasi I've been there. Dati sinasabi ko kapag tumaas yung sahod ko, saka lang ako magsisave, or kapag nagkaroon ako ng side hustle, saka ako mag-i-invest. Pero the truth is, money doesn't have to control your life. Hindi kailangan siya yung mag-decide kung ano yung pwede mong gawin or hindi pwedeng gawin sa buhay mo. It's just something that you use. And when I started thinking that way, doon nagkaroon ng mind shift na kahit na maliit lang yung amount na meron ka, it can still get you closer to what you really want or where you really want to be. For example, let's say meron kang hammer. A hammer doesn't build anything by itself, diba? Pero if you know how to use it, it can help you build something. Same with money, it won't solve everything instantly. Pero kung alam mo kung paano siya gamitin, it can open doors. For example, that girl, 300 pesos lang yung puhunan niya, pero nakabuild siya ng business, nabili niya yung cafe drinks na gusto niya, and more importantly, kapag inopen mo yung comment section ng video na yon, napakadaming opportunities na nag-open for her. So for sure, yung 300 pesos na yon, babalik yun sa kanya tenfold pa. Again, you don't need millions to start kasi kahit na 500 pesos lang per month ang savings mo, or 1,000 pesos pa lang ang investment mo, they still matter. Kasi that's how money becomes a tool, not a limit. I'm curious, ano yung maliit na step na pwede mong gawin today with the money that you already have para mas mapalapit ka sa goal mo? Let me know in the comments. That's it for today. Ciao!